Imagine buying a budget-friendly car that looks ordinary on the outside but hides a performance trim that can rival some sports cars. Surprising, right? Some of the cheapest cars on the market are packing turbocharged engines, sharp handling, and speed you would never expect at their price point. Today, we are breaking down the models that prove you don't need luxury badges to feel real power, but which of these affordable rides gives you the best bang for your buck? Stay tuned because the answer might shock you. The car world just got a little more exciting. A brand new launch has arrived, aiming to shake up the budget-friendly segment while offering trims that punch far above their weight. This isn't just another entry-level commuter, it's a model designed to attract first-time buyers, young families, and even enthusiasts who want performance without breaking the bank. The brand behind it has built a reputation for reliability and value, but this time, they've added a surprising twist with sport-inspired upgrades. Why does this matter? Because it could change how we look at affordable cars altogether, and in just a moment we'll dig into the design, performance, and features to see if it truly delivers. From the moment you see it, the car makes a statement. Its exterior design might not scream exotic, but sharp lines, bold headlights, and subtle sporty touches give it a modern edge that stands out in the budget segment. Step inside and the surprise continues. Instead of the bare-bones interior you'd expect at this price point, you get a well-laid-out cabin, supportive seats, and even tech features like a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and driver assist options. But the real magic shows up under the hood. This isn't just a cheap commuter trim, it hides performance-oriented upgrades that transform the way it drives. Turbocharged engines, tighter suspension setups, and sharper steering deliver a driving feel that puts some higher-priced models on notice. It's the kind of car you take on a grocery run but secretly enjoy carving through corners on the way home. Of course, it's not all perfect. Rear seat space can feel tight in some models, and cabin materials still remind you this is a budget car. Yet when you factor in fuel efficiency, safety ratings, and the thrill of having a performance trim at an affordable price, those drawbacks suddenly feel minor. Think about it this way: you could pay twice as much for a premium badge and get similar acceleration and handling, or you could step into this affordable performer and surprise everyone at the stoplight. The question is, how much value are you really getting? Once we break down pricing, trims, and real-world performance numbers, that's coming up next, and trust me, the results may change how you think about cheap cars forever. This is the moment everything comes together. On paper, the numbers looked promising, but out on the road, the reality is even more surprising. The performance trim takes off with punchy acceleration, delivering a 0 to 60 time that feels way faster than what anyone expects from a so-called budget car. The steering is sharp and responsive, hugging corners with confidence, while the suspension keeps things composed even when pushed hard. You don't just drive it, you feel it. But here's the twist: while some rivals boast more horsepower, they can't match the balance. This car strikes between fun and everyday usability. It's quick enough to make you grin on back roads, yet comfortable enough for daily commutes. Fuel economy holds steady, safety systems kick in smoothly, and the cabin tech doesn't feel like an afterthought. The turning point comes when you realize this isn't just about numbers, it's about experience, and in that moment this affordable car delivers the kind of driving thrill usually reserved for models with double the price tag. That's the shocker: it may not wear a luxury badge, but it has the heart of a performance machine. So does it truly earn its place among the best affordable performance trims, or is there a catch waiting in the fine print? That's exactly what we'll uncover in the final verdict. After putting this car through its paces, the verdict is clear: it delivers far more than anyone expects from a budget-friendly model. The performance trim proves you don't need a high-end badge to enjoy sharp handling, quick acceleration, and a genuinely fun driving experience. The pros stand out immediately: engaging performance, modern tech, surprising comfort, and fuel efficiency that makes sense for daily use. On the other hand, buyers will notice some trade-offs like tighter rear seating and materials that remind you this isn't luxury. So who is this car really for? It's perfect for first-time buyers wanting excitement without draining their savings, families who need practicality but appreciate a spirited drive will also find value here, and for enthusiasts who crave performance on a budget, this is one of the most underrated choices in today's market. What makes it even more impactful is the timing. Affordable cars with genuine performance are rare in the US right now. Manufacturers are chasing bigger SUVs and electric flagships, which makes trims like this stand out even more. If it sparks a trend, it could reshape how automakers approach budget segments in the years ahead. In short, this isn't just a cheap car with a sporty badge, it's a reminder that driving fun can still be accessible and attainable. The only question left is this: will you stick with the ordinary or take a chance on performance that comes at a price almost anyone can reach? If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest car breakdowns that cut through the hype.